Mad Brad's Custom. Welcome back to my channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe, notify. You'll get all my content sent to you. I have a whole lot of it, 12, 13 years of it. But anyway, just subscribe to my channel. And today we are working on that Mach 1 engine build. But anyway, I find some crazy stuff. I'm going to turn this thing around. You can see back there I have another whole set of heads that came off that motor sitting on the stand there. But this is the head that came on the car, and I'm just cleaning them up just to see what I got to do. But I want to show you something, how crazy people are. Hold on, we can turn you around. Alrighty. So in cleaning this cylinder here, everything's looking okay. I'm going to end up trying to measure all this out. But anyway, we're going to make sure whether they've had a head job done on them or whatever. But when I got to looking and I see this spark plug, and I see this spark plug, and then this spark plug, and then that one. Do y'all see the craziness? Yeah, I don't understand some people and what they try to do, but anyway, yeah. So I'm just taking I don't know if anybody, and I've said it on some of my other videos, that these are called nylocks. And they don't really take away much of the metal, especially aluminum, steel, whatever, but they will clean. And I mean, they will clean carbon and crud, and you can actually get this surface stuff cleaned up really well with the nylocks. And I mean, the idea is, like I told you, everything's got to be cleaned. This whole head will be cleaned. I'll even wash it with soap and water, and always use Dawn because it's the best for getting the oil and grease off. But anyway, I'll even wash it with soap and water. And then, of course, the other thing I'll do is I use brake cleaner, and I use the brake cleaner from AutoZone because it's cheaper and it works good. But yeah, look how much stuff's coming off of that I just did, that little bit. But anyway, just so you know, I'm going to give you some more information as we go along on what we're doing. I have the bad head there. If you can see the bottom thing, cylinder there with all the valves broke off in it. But it does have a good set of cams in it. And there's the block that's blown up. But I am going through pieces and pieces and cleaning whatever and throwing away, throwaway box, save box. I still got all that to go through, and I'm looking for a K member. I want to get rid of this thing and see if I can get something else. Maybe one of my people that watch my channel, you can see my motor, the short block's built over there, covered up in plastic. But anyway, those people that watch my channel, maybe they know somebody that's got like a deal on these K-frame. Anyway, I'm going to have a whole lot of pistons and rods to sell, and a crank that can be fixed to sell. 10 bolt. That's the good crank. Come out of the Mach 1. And valve covers. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of little stuff for sale. But anyway, don't forget. Let me turn you around. Like and subscribe to my channel. We need you. Thank you very much. Mad Brad's Customs. We out. You're gonna like it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. Nope.